if you're a regular viewer of my channel, you'll probably know it was only a couple of weeks ago that I took this car to Paramount Performance and met the amazing team there, who then carried out pre-vehicle checks on this car, giving me the full clean bill of health, then went on to upgrade my supercharger pulley for a smaller one so that the supercharger spins faster. Then they threw on a new tune to work with that supercharger pulley, and then we got the car on their rolling road to see what kind of brake horsepower we've got now after those modifications. And I was well impressed that that came out at just under 625 brake horsepower in this car.
623.49 at the crank and 593 foot-pounds of torque.
Wow. You may have also previously seen when I did the air intakes on this car and then I took the car out for a 0 to 60. Here's what happened on that day. Let's see if we can beat that last time of 3.57. So let me just check what I got there. Oh my word, 3.54. Now before I put the cold air intake on, that was 3.57. So have I knocked 0.03 of a second off? Or is it just a better day? I don't know. I'm going to say the cones have made that difference. So I was well over the moon with that figure. And I've been wondering, will that make my car faster 0 to 60? Well, in this video, we're going to find out. Right, dynamic mode engaged. Everything on that should be on. So let's see if we can break that last number. Here we go. You guys will know before me, so let me check on these numbers. Oh my word, 3.48. Yes, I've got a sub 3.5 second 0 to 60. Right, let's just do one more, go in the opposite way just to make sure, because there's a slight wind out there today, so whether that was backwind or headwind, not too sure. So let's do another one. Right, here we go. Again, you guys will know this before me, so let me just check on what the draggy says. Okay, so that one was 3.58, so yeah, obviously we must be going towards the headwind here. But yeah, I don't care. I've got it on stats, on figures, on video, that I got 3.48, and it's not downhill. So I know you like it, so let's have a listen to some of those amazing exhaust sounds. I love it!